everyone. So it's Saturday the 30th of January and I've decided that I want to be more real on my channel this year, so I thought I would do a vlog and do a day in the life of a YouTuber that doesn't get paid enough to do YouTube full time vlog, because averagely in a week I work Monday to Friday from 9 until about 5 or 6, 5:36. Then I walk my boyfriend's dog, so we don't get home until about 7. So I basically work from like 9 till 7. So my weeks are boring. I did try doing monthly vlogs. It wasn't for me. I tried editing it and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was so boring. Like, you guys might have found it really interesting, but editing that was really boring. But I thought I would actually do a daily vlog instead and make it somewhat interesting as much as I can, because obviously we are still in lockdown, so I can't go anywhere, I can't really do anything. So yeah, this morning I'm going to cut my hair because it's so dead and gross and I've just washed it, as you can tell. However, I am going to cut it and then I'm going to recondition it and then use my curly hair products in it, because I've now brushed it, which means all my curls are going to be flat and disgusting. So I need to part my hair first, but I haven't got a mirror, so I'm just going to use, that's about straight. I feel like I'm not going to do a drastic cut, by the way. If you're here to see me cut my hair to here, that ain't happening. I'm literally going to take the dead ends off, so sorry to disappoint, but you know, I can't exactly go to the hairdressers, so this is what we're doing. I've got a towel on my lap because otherwise hair is going to fall everywhere. And I do have legitimate hair cutting scissors, which I have used to cut parcels open. So I think they're probably a little bit blunt now, but yeah, I just need to cut the dead ends off because it actually feels rank. So that is all I'm going to be doing today. Nothing too exciting. Let me know down below how you guys are doing. I feel like I haven't spoke to you guys in a casual manner in a while. Also, I'm really sorry to any hairdressers out there that this is probably making go fuming, because I know that I don't cut it properly, but I'm literally not even cutting enough off to notice the difference. So that is basically all I do to cut my hair. It's not exciting, it's actually not even probably enough for you guys to notice a difference, but that is my hair done. So now I'm going to go downstairs, I'm going to recondition my hair and almost like re-scrunch it, and then I'm going to put in some products, and then once I've done that, I'll come back and do my makeup. I look like a toe. So I'm well aware I look like an absolute drowned rat right now, but that is simply because I've put my products in my hair and I have to let my hair now basically sit with the product and dry as much as possible before I scrunch it out. So this is what I'm working with right now. It's not nice. To anyone who has beautifully straight hair, so jealous of you, but I don't. My hair's curly, so this is what we're working with. I'm now going to do my makeup. I don't know whether I'm going to do this on or off camera, to be honest, because I kind of really fancy like watching a bit of YouTube and doing my makeup, if you know what I mean. But I thought I'd show you what I might use. So the first thing I'm going to be using, well, it won't be the first thing, but the eyeshadow palette I think I'm going to use is my Lorac Pro The Bakery Box palette. I actually got this for my birthday. I didn't feature it in my what I got for my birthday video because my friend Amy sent this to me and it came a little bit late, so I didn't feature it, but it's beautiful. Like, it's stunning. I also have my Z palette, which I've mentioned in a few videos, but it does look a little bit gross. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, it just, looking at it doesn't please me. However, it's just full of eyeshadows that I didn't mind depotting because the packaging was clunky or they were cheap or anything like that. So this is what my Z palette looks like, basically. I had to get rid of the powder that was here because it exploded, so there's like powder everywhere. I'm gonna do my makeup off camera, I think, just because I feel like I want to chill and watch some YouTube. What is this piece of hair doing? I'm just going to twist that out of my face. I think I'm just going to chill and do my makeup, and I might go and make a nice coffee in a minute. So if I do that, I'll show you my iced coffee. But that is it. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I know it's obviously only just started, but I'm not the greatest at vlogging when it comes to days in my life, because at Disney there's always something to show you guys. At home I don't do a lot. Like, I obviously work full time. I do YouTube as much as I can, so I am busy, but like I don't do a lot that's redeemed exciting. Is that the right way to say it? Redeemed exciting? I'm a normal human being, so I just chill out. But I did get a lot of requests when I asked you guys on my Instagram kind of what you wanted to see. A lot of you said vlogs, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I will make it as interesting as I possibly can. And yeah, I'm starting to lose my voice now, so I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I will jump back on and let you guys know what my hair kind of turns out like. It does need to dry quite a bit before I can scrunch it, so I'll show you guys the outcome. Hopefully the next time you see me I will not look like a drowned rat, because this is not okay. So I've just finished doing my makeup. My hair still looks absolutely rank because I haven't even touched it, so it looks like a bird's nest, which is really great. Ryan just came and brought me a Starbucks, so my mood instantly went from a 2 to a 10 because I just love Starbucks so much. Oh, it's amazing. I always get the iced caramel macchiato with skinny milk and extra caramel drizzle, which always goes to the bottom, but so good. So I'm basically just going to wait for my hair to dry. I don't know whether to diffuse it a bit because it's just taking ages. I might put the diffuser on it and then somewhat figure out how to style it, and then I need to get filming because it's literally 12 o'clock and usually by now I've started filming or I've finished filming, and I've done none of that, so I need to hurry up. But that's basically the situation. So I'm going to diffuse my hair and then actually do some work, so that's the plan. If any YouTubers out there tell you that they wear jeans when they are filming, they're lying. Okay, so my hair's pretty much dry now. I am going to start filming. I did obviously cut it earlier, so I think it looks okay. It looks kind of the same. I didn't really take much off it, to be honest. It just needed like the dead ends going, so that is what I've done. I need to set up to film a video now, so that is what I'm going to do. Finish my Starbucks. I don't have a lot of room when I film videos. I literally sit on my bed and I have maybe a few inches of space to put my camera and my lights, so it is a bit of a squeeze, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to film my January favourite, which will already be up when you're watching this video. That's basically it. I told you when I said my life is boring, guys. This is what my Saturdays entail of, is literally washing my hair, filming a video or two, and that is it. And then I edit it for tomorrow, so that is what I need to do. And I don't even know what the time is anymore. It's getting to that point where I'm just like, what is the time? Do you know what I mean? So it's probably about 12:30, 1ish, and I still haven't filmed a video. So I'm gonna do that and I'll keep you guys updated and show you my setup and all that stuff. So I've just put on some lipstick just to finish off my makeup look, and I thought I'd share with you what lipstick trio I've been really loving these past few weeks, and it will be featured in my January favourites video, but I thought I would share it with you guys as well. So I always use my Essence lip pencil in the shade Tea Time. I love this so much. It's like my favourite thing in the world. And then I top it off with my, what's this one? Makeup Revolution. This is the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Illusion. Really lovely. And then I just top it off with some of my Kiko Milano Hydra Gloss in the shade 20, I think. And it's this really beautiful, like, nudie brown. Worst at describing it, but this is the trio. This is what it looks like. Obsessed, I'm telling you, it's so good. So I am actually going to be filming now. I feel like I've been saying that for the past like 3 hours, but I am going to film now. I'm just getting all of my kind of favourite bits and pieces from the past month together so that I can do my favourites video. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys watched it. If you haven't watched it, go watch it, please. Thank you. So this is a sneak peek behind my filming setup. Obviously it's a bit of a mess, but I will be sat right here with my camera and my lights and stuff, and then obviously all of my monthly faves. So if you want to go and watch that video, definitely do. It's probably the most recent or nearly the most recent video, so yeah, if you want to go watch it, please do. But yeah, this is where I film, just so you guys know. I feel like a lot of you guys have asked me this in the past and I can't really show you, so here we are. Nothing too exciting. So I've just finished filming my January faves and I need to import that all onto my laptop and start editing it because I need to get it up for tomorrow, but I need to send it to one of the girls at Ana Luisa so she can check it out. But I think it should be fine because I've done it twice already before and she seems really happy with my work, so fingers crossed it's fine. So I'm going to upload it and keep it on unlisted, hopefully, because it needs to go up tomorrow. So I'm going to do that, and then I need to put away all of the stuff that I got out to do in my video. I need to finish my Starbucks because it's been defrosting like the ice has been melting, so I need to drink that because I just love Starbucks so much. And I might just have a chilled afternoon. I might tidy up my room a bit because I've got loads of clothes just on my chair, which I'm just not vibing with. My room's a little bit of a mess. I don't have a lot of room in my bedroom, so my room is always a mess, kind of. But I like to think of it as organised mess, so I might tidy that up, and then I don't really know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I really hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. This is a legitimate what I do in a day on a weekend when I film. I don't do a lot. I film, I edit, I upload, and that's about it. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I would show you a glimpse of my room, but it's actually embarrassing how messy it is. But I might tidy it, and once I've tidied it, I'll show you guys my room. I'll give you a little sneak peek. You wouldn't believe I'm 27, like that makes me feel sick. I've got a lot of Disney stuff everywhere, so you wouldn't believe I'm 27. But I love Disney, it makes me happy, so I don't care. But yeah, I'm going to edit my video and then I'll tidy my room, so I'll keep you guys updated with my editing stuff. But yeah, also please excuse what I'm wearing. I literally took off my jumper because I was dying of heat, so I wouldn't wear this on its own because the bra straps just don't look good. So anyway, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna edit. You're distracting me, so stop it. So it's currently 5 to 3 and I'm just editing my video. I'm still drinking my Starbucks from like 3 hours ago. No shame, it still tastes delish. But I'm just editing my video and I've come to realise that I've not really eaten anything yet today. I've had 2 pink wafers, you know, there's like marshmallow ones, it's so good, and a small piece of cake. But I'm not really hungry, but I feel like I want something savoury, so I might go and have a packet of crisps. This is why I'm not losing weight. I don't eat proper meals. Oh, I just thought, it's 3 o'clock, but I have got avocado downstairs and bread, but then I have to toast the bread. I really fancy some avocado toast though. It's debates I have with myself every day, like, do I want food or do I just want like a snack? Because I know that me and Ryan will probably get a takeaway later because we usually get a takeaway delivered on a Saturday. So that is probably what we'll end up doing. I've also changed my hair. I've put it half up, half down. I actually think it looks better. So annoying that I filmed my whole video with my other hair, but here we are. And this is it kind of like dry now, by the way. This is the kind of vibe I get. It's like not the nicest, but it's not bad. It's okay. But my friend Zoe, hi Zoe, if you're watching, sent me a photo of her hair. She's dyed it like half and half and it looks insane. Like it looks sick. So I'm just really jealous. I wish I did that. I wish I did half blonde, half brown before I went brown. I think that would be fun. But yeah, so I'm literally just editing my video. It's my favourite video and it's about 13 minutes long. It's not too bad. So I'm literally just finishing off that and then I'm going to upload that, and then when I upload that I'll go and get a snack. So that's what I'm doing. Literally, this is what I mean when I say I don't bother weekly vlogging. This is all I do. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog regardless, but my life is not this exciting. So yeah, so I'm just going to edit my vlog, have a snack, and then I'll come back to you guys with whatever I'm doing. But I like this whole setup, so I'll probably be just still here chilling on my bedside table. Obsessed with these earrings, by the way. These are the Anna Louisa ones that I got sent, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these. So comfortable. They were a bit weird to put in because obviously they don't have a back, but I love them, so I'm probably going to be wearing those for the foreseeable. So yeah, right, I'm going to go. Ow. Just hit myself on my table. I'm going to go. So I'm back and I'm just uploading my video. It says it's going to take another 39 minutes, so that's great. Usually my videos take like an hour or 2 to upload, so I'm just uploading that, and I've got another pink wafer. These are great, by the way. If you don't have these where you're from, it is literally a sugary marshmallow in like a sweet wafery thing. It's so good. Amazing. 10 out of 10. And I'm just scrolling through TikTok. I do have a TikTok account, but I don't really upload to TikTok anymore. Also, let me know down below what you guys are up to today. It is currently 20 past 3. I'm not doing anything. I'm trying to decide what I want for dinner. Me and Ryan are going to get a takeaway, but I can't decide on what to get. I don't know. I usually go for a Chinese, but I don't know what I fancy. I'm sorry if eating and talking with my mouth full grosses anybody out, but I'm just being real, do you know what I mean? This is how I would normally eat, so I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I feel like I say that in every clip, but I do hope you are enjoying it. If you're not, let me know. But I just really want to be more real on this channel and be more open and honest and show you what my life is like, and this is literally what my life is like. On a Saturday I chill. I get up at like 9-10 sometimes if I fancy it. I have a shower, wash my hair, get ready for filming, film a video or two, and then I edit it and upload it for tomorrow. And then if I filmed 2 videos I'll edit that one as well. If I haven't, it's usually because me and Ryan are going to film. But yeah, you guys seem to really enjoy the Q&A we did, so we're going to do a few more videos, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go. I love you. Goodbye. So it's considerably later now and I'm still drinking my Starbucks. It's been a while, but here we are. I'm actually using my iPhone torch right now because it's getting really dark outside, and if you can hear that fan, I'm just uploading the vlog footage from this video onto my laptop and it's just having a little bit of a moment and it seems to be overheating, but we work through it. My plan for the rest of the evening, I need to tidy up my room, so I'm going to do that in literally 2 seconds. I'm going to tidy up my room, do a bit of organising, and then once I've done that, I'm not really sure what the plans for the rest of my evening are. I know that me and Ryan are probably going to go and get a takeaway because we tend to get a nice takeaway on a Saturday. It kind of lifts our mood up and I think it's a nice treat at the end of the week. I don't know whether you guys agree, but I love a takeaway, so we're probably going to do that. I think we'll probably end up going for like a Chinese or something, but I know that tomorrow we are going to be filming a video together because you guys seem to really enjoy the Q&A that we did at Starbucks, so I thought, you know what, sorry Ryan, you're going to have to come into more videos. So we're going to do a Q&A mukbangy sort of video, hopefully. Fingers crossed. We're going to hopefully get like a wagon members or something and do a in-car Q&A situation, so I'm really excited about that. I do apologise that this vlog is probably all going to be shot from this angle, but this is literally what my life is like on a Saturday. I film videos, I edit videos, I tidy my room and then get a takeaway. And that is what all I've been doing every Saturday for the past like 10 months, because obviously with lockdown and stuff it's just been a bit difficult. But I hope you guys are all doing really well. On a serious note, if you ever need anyone to talk to or message or anything like that, please just either leave me a comment down below or send me a message on Instagram. That's probably a little bit easier just because I will always check Instagram comments, whereas I only can check my YouTube ones like when I'm at home after work and stuff. So yeah, give me a follow on Instagram and message me because I'm always available to have a rant to or for you to unload your feelings. So yeah, feel free to message me. But I'm now going to finish my Starbucks whilst my laptop sounds like it's about to take off, and I'm going to tidy up my room, and then I'm going to, I don't really know what else I'm going to do. I just need to tidy my room because it's a mess and disgusting, so I'll see you guys later. It's now 5 o'clock, which means in the UK it's getting dark outside, so again I've got my trusty phone torch down here, which means you can see shadows on my face. But I thought I would end today's vlog here because I have come to edit the footage, and so far it's 15 minutes long, and I feel like that is a lot, especially because I haven't really done anything today. But I really hope you guys did enjoy. I just wanted to bring you guys along for a typical Saturday of a YouTuber who does YouTube part-time because she works in the week. Please let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you have made it to this point in the video, please comment the word peach down below because then I'll know that you watched right to the end. If you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe, and also let me know down below any video requests or anything down below. That'd be great. And if you don't follow me over on my Instagram, please do. And that is everything. So I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you, don't know what my hands are doing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.